Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best heavy-duty wipes is probably one of the most versatile cleaning tools you can find, capable of tackling grime, grease, and even stubborn stains with ease. In this video, we will review the top-rated heavy-duty wipes available on the market, comparing their cleaning power, durability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect wipes for your cleaning needs, whether it's for your home, car, or workplace. Number 5. MiracleWipes Heavy Duty, 90 Count. Say hello to MiracleWipes, your new secret weapon for tackling even the toughest messes. It's powerful enough to handle grease and grime, yet gentle enough for your hands. These wipes use a unique blend of coconut oil extracts and other ingredients for a deep clean. Experience the difference. The dual texture helps lift away dirt and contaminants, leaving surfaces spotless and smear-free. Cleaning has never been easier. From kitchens and bathrooms to outdoor equipment, they're tough enough for any job, indoors or out. Use them on virtually any surface. Despite their cleaning power, these wipes are gentle on your skin. They contain glycerin to keep your hands feeling soft and moisturized. Clean fabrics, carpets, leather, vinyl, metal, the possibilities are endless. They're perfect for appliances, tile, cabinets, and more. Remember, these wipes are powerful, but please do not flush them down the toilet. What we like. This product's dual texture design tackles tough messes effectively, while its powerful formula cuts through grease and grime. It's also gentle on your skin, making it perfect for various cleaning tasks around the house and even on your hands. If you need a versatile, powerful, and safe wipe for all your cleaning needs, this is the one for you. What people say. They have a little grit to them, so they tackle tough stuck-on spots, way better than Clorox wipes or any of the natural wipes I've tried. For quick bathroom cleanup of toilet seat, sink, bath and shower, these are my go-to. We had to replace a peeling patch on our leather couch, and these wipes removed the glue left behind without leaving residue or a nasty smell. They have an abrasive side for scrubbing and a soft side for whipping. Best part is they are not harsh on the skin. They are perfect for this as they are very strong and moist. Number 4. Red Top Industrial Wipes. It tackles tough messes like PU foam, paint, and grease with ease. Experience superior cleaning power for industrial jobs. These wipes are infused with aloe vera, glycerin, lanolin, and vitamin E to protect and moisturize your skin. Your hands will thank you. They feature a heavy-duty fabric designed for the toughest jobs. It's tough on dirt, but gentle on your skin. It's been dermatologically tested and shown to cause zero skin irritation. Use with confidence, knowing it's safe for your skin. The easy grip cylinder and unique lid make dispensing quick and convenient. Plus, it prevents the wipes from drying out. Experience the ultimate in industrial cleaning wipes. Get yours today. What we like. This heavy-duty wipe boasts an advanced fabric technology that's tough on even the most stubborn messes, while its unique formula is gentle on your skin. It's been dermatologically tested to ensure it won't irritate your hands, making it ideal for industrial or automotive use. If you're looking for a tough, yet skin-friendly wipe for heavy-duty cleaning, this is the right choice. What people say. Was expecting these to be mostly BS. I've used hand wipes before, how different could these be? Well, I was sealing my driveway and got tar on my hands. Used these wipes after I was done, so the tar was dried, and tried these out to see how well they would clean my hands just so I could go inside to wash them thoroughly with some pumice soap. Well, these took off all the tar without needing to wash my hands after. Was not expecting them to work that well. This works really well for the DIY person and helps get oils and paint off your hands. Works as it should. I keep these in my vehicles to clean my hands. No water needed. Will remove dirt, grease, grime, and diesel fuel and gas smell from your hands. Have also used them as a quick stain remover when I spill something on my clothes. Test for color transfer first in an inconspicuous spot. Here's the other secret. I clean a lot of things around the house with them too: counters, floors, painted walls, plastic receptacle and switch plates, just about any hard surface. Once again, test for color transfer on light-colored painted walls. Number 3. Crocodile Cloth All-Purpose Wipes. Say hello to the ultimate cleaning solution. These wipes are tough on messes but gentle on your hands and the environment. They're designed to trap liquids and tackle even the toughest messes in just one swipe. Experience superior cleaning power. From carpets and floors to cabinets and upholstery, these wipes can handle any surface. Clean virtually anything with ease. Made without harsh chemicals, these wipes are infused with aloe and vitamin E+, they're fully biodegradable for eco-friendly cleaning. Each wipe is extra large, providing superior coverage and lasting moisture. Get more done with fewer wipes. Experience the difference. These wipes are 4 times more effective than standard wipes, making cleaning faster and easier. What we like. These large, absorbent wipes are tough on messes but gentle on the environment. Their unique design traps liquids and cleans multiple surfaces effectively in one swipe. If you're looking for a powerful, eco-friendly cleaning solution, consider this option. What people say. They reseal so nicely, no more trying to get that stupid peeled plastic to stick which never seems to work, which in turn means your wipes get dried out and they were a complete waste. These ones close easily with a hard plastic cover that's hinged and stays closed and become dried out accidentally. These wipes are great at really cleaning up any kind of mess made anywhere in the home, car, office, and more. They work on brand new still wet messes and dry ones just as good. They are good for the kitchen backslash, cabinets and other surfaces in there that tend to have grease splatters everywhere that are such a pain to get up. They cut through grease pretty great, and now with the more specialized ones for auto, vehicle, and power scrubbers they are even better. Number 2. Proferred T99001 One-Hand Wipes. It tackles grease and grime with ease, leaving your tools sparkling clean. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and hello to shining surfaces. They're tough on dirt but gentle on your skin and the environment. The formula includes soothing ingredients like vitamin E and aloe. Keep them handy in your garage, car, or at work. They're perfect for cleaning up after any messy job, not just tools. Each wipe is generously sized at 9 by 12 inches, big enough for even the dirtiest hands and tools. You'll get the job done quickly and efficiently. With dual-sided cleaning, you get twice the cleaning power for your money. It's a smart and cost-effective solution for all your cleaning needs. What we like. These wipes offer a waterless cleaning solution that's tough on grease and grime, yet safe for your skin and the environment. Their large size and dual-sided design make them efficient and economical. If you're looking for a convenient and effective way to clean tools and hands without water, this is a great option. What people say. They work very well without drying out your hands. Don't leave a weird residue on hands or leave them feeling dried out. Cleans up caulking, paint, grease, no problem. Hasn't dried out my hands either, and I use these daily. Number 1. Malco Duplex Cleaning Wipes. Say goodbye to multiple cleaning supplies. These heavy-duty wipes tackle grease, tar, paint, and more, making them perfect for home and auto use. With a textured side for scrubbing and a smooth side for polishing, they're versatile enough for any cleaning task. It's the ultimate 2-in-1 solution. These wipes are gentle on your hands yet tough on dirt and grime. Use them with confidence on a variety of surfaces, from countertops to car interiors. The citrus-based formula leaves no streaks or residue behind, just a fresh, light citrus scent. It's the perfect cleaning solution for a sparkling finish. Supporting local businesses and quality. They're made with locally sourced materials and manufactured right here in the United States. From kitchen spills to car detailing, these wipes are your go-to for a clean that's both effective and safe. Experience the Malco difference today. What we like. These dual-sided wipes tackle a wide range of messes, from grease and tar to paint and oil, without leaving any residue behind. They're safe for your hands and various surfaces, and are made in the USA. If you value quality, effectiveness, and a clean finish, this is the one for you. What people say. Works as well as the leading brands. Basically, they are a heavy-duty paper towel, impregnated with soap. Now these will not get your hands sparkling clean, but they do get your hands clean enough that you aren't leaving the oily, greasy handprints on anything, does not require a sink or water, and leaves most of the mess in the garage. They also work pretty well as surface parts cleaners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.